How to turn on sounds in the app on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on sounds in the app on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and you will find here this one, media. Click on it and then go down and turn this one, sounds in the app. And as you see, sounds in the app has been turned on, and that's how to turn on sounds in the app on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.